Snow in New York, my favorite time of year. Snow in New York, it's magic when it's near. Snow in New York, the world feels oh so dear. Snow in New York, my favorite time of year. Crowds gather round where the rink unfolds, scarves and laughter against the cold. We watch the scene from a cozy view, almost like the world was made anew. Taxi bells and cafe doors, winter songs along the stores. Every street a story told, wrapped in scenes we've loved of old.